My name is J.S. Kang, the CEO of Aizen. So we are providing an AI platform that specializes in the finance sector, especially the retail banking sector and the asset management sector. So we are automating many types of decision makings in the retail banking, and then based on that, we can create a very operating efficient the digital banking, and competitive banking in the coming years. So we are providing country-agnostic AI platform for especially the retail banking sector. Why is that? So most of the functions that when you look at the functionality of the banking sector is identical. The data point is evolving. How to capture the data, okay, and then how to convert that into the information that the bank can utilizing. So this is a very basic function that bank can do that. Bank need to do that. But that function is that the identical is across the world. So we are working with the first-tier bank in Korea, and we're providing the solutions and automating, and then we also building our the autonomous banking operating system. Now here in Hong Kong, a lot of the virtual banking is licensed and then about to be operated coming years. And then there's a lot of competitive is coming in this market. But we're providing some kind of technologies as what we call is a multi-dimensional like a decision engines. So if you differentiate your product from the newly launched the virtual bank, and also the traditional banks that are protecting that kind of movement. So you need to differentiate the customer based on the data. In the traditional way, in the credit side, it's not enough to differentiate. So we are providing a multi-dimensional the model that identifies the customer is not only the credit side, prepayment, ability to buy another product, and then get another loan. So there's a lot of applications, behaviors you need to identify in a real time and the parallel way in a massive scale. So this is what we can offer to the Hong Kong markets. Okay, so one of the very the observable trend here in fintech is that there's a lot of the data-rich industry, like e-commerce and like a gig economy, and the other side is the banking sector. So this sector needs the banking services to enhance their platform. But the other side is the banking sector want to expand their customer bases beyond their traditional customer base. But these two industries are like a new. So there's some middleman to convert that information to the information that bank can utilize. So we are sitting between them. So the banking as a service is one trend. So to do that, we need a technology. So technology can digest a massive scale and a very flexible framework to build a model. So that is not a possible in a very heuristic way of AI. So to train the people and then the build a model by hand is not possible. So you need to have some kind of machine to build the AI model in a very large scale. So I think that in terms of the trends, the banking as a service is very prevail, and the flexibility of data, and then the technology enable that kind of ecosystem is one trend that we can think about.